How to recycle waste motors, stators, and rotors. Today I will introduce two different recycling methods for you. Introduce in detail how to disassemble waste motors. 1. Stator rotor dismantling machine. Cutting and grasping integrated waste motor dismantling equipment. Mainly suitable for dismantling motors, rotors, stators, etc. The machine has fast thread cutting speed, high thread removal efficiency, small footprint, and stable performance. Greatly improve the efficiency of stator repair and copper iron separation. R. Scrap copper and aluminum stator rotor crushing and sorting equipment. If you want to recycle waste stator and rotor efficiently and quickly, good crushing is the key to ensure the separation effect. Using the principles of crushing, sorting, vibrating sieve magnetic separation and specific gravity sorting. Separation of copper from non-metallic iron and other impurities. The separation purity can reach more than 99.8%. Scrap copper rotor shredders and waste motor recycling equipment are used in various waste copper containing materials. Simple operation and high efficiency.